Dear listeners, I am your motivational speaker Priyanka. Today's topic is the secrets of twin flame journey. Twin flame journey is a spiritual connection. It introduces us to our soul. A new soul is born in front of us. The real secrets of finding oneself and coming to this world is revealed. Each of us has a soul purpose behind our birth. Just as a mother holds her baby in her womb for 10 months and gives it a beautiful shape, so the Creator sent us to this earth to give it a beautiful shape. The Creator of this whole world. The Creator is the King of this world and we are all subjects. Just as a king entrusted the most difficult task to a worthy person, so in the eyes of the Creator, He tests the most deserving person with pain and suffering. Just as gold is consumed by fire, so is the soul of man afflicted with grief. 6 secrets twin flame sign. Number 1. Those who are in the twin flame journey get everything in their life, but they always feel incomplete. Even after getting everything in life, they think that something is lacking in their personal life. In this personal life, they are always faced with a different situation. The mind seems to search for the loved one whose existence does not exist. The mind repeatedly asks when I will find the favorite person to see the person I love. Hundreds of hopes, joy dreams, loves, questions again and again. Where there I will say goodbye to this world before I meet my loved one. Number 2. The mind becomes restless and runs from side to side. The midst of so much joy and happiness, tears flowed unknowingly. The question arises again and again as to why everything turned upside down just a day before the success of the work. The real mystery of this twin flame journey is 2 pieces of one soul. That is, one soul is divided into 2 parts and given to the body of 2 persons. The real purpose of coming up with a twin flame journey is that 2 incomplete persons together can become one complete person. There are only those in this journey who have a beautiful mind and who are kind. This journey is very painful, traumatic, and difficult. Number 3. DM means divine masculine and DF means divine feminine. Divine masculine insults DF means divine feminine unnecessarily and causes grief without knowing it. It is very difficult for DF to bear the humiliation of DM. DF worked hard to qualify for the DM and was finally established. The separation of DM cannot bear the pain. DF tried a lot to talk to the DM, short of a dream to meet only once. On the other hand, DM wants to meet DM. But the situations becomes so difficult that the DF does not meet the DM even after going too far. Most of the time, DF is first away twin flame journey. DF love ends in madness. DF floats in tears thinking of his missing soul part. DM means divine masculine. DF gets tired of running after DM. Finally, DF started soul searching. Worship of God begins to calm the troubled mind. Understand that the real purpose of life is to do good to people. The seven chakras of the body balance, surrenders to God, understands the greatness of self-love, and understand that God is found in the midst of self-love. God dwells in the heart of every human being. If we do not accept one another, the Creator in our hearts will be so hungry. Number 4. When the DM sees that the DF is not following him, the DM gets worried. DM becomes like crazy. Repeatedly, DF face floats in front of DM eyes. DM pretends he does not love DF, but DF understands everything. DF knows everything. DM unspoken because they are the same spirit. When DM floats in tears, DF mind becomes heavy. When DM becomes static, DF mind gets better. DF would like to shout DM, I love you, but cannot say. The hidden love and unspoken words of the heart are lost under the sea. The heart of the DF is formed by the accumulation of tiny stones. Thinking over and over again, DF not only draws too much love but also pushes it away. This is the journey of learning. Everything you experience is mirroring to you what is going on inside you, whatever issues and blocks and trauma and wounds you may be carrying. You have probably heard about the twin flame mirror, that your inner state will be reflected back to you in your connection with your other self. Keep this in mind. Maybe you are the one who's been placing the most limits on yourself, building your own blocks to hold you back. The message from Spirit is that when we have pre-built in judgments, opinions and beliefs around love, the twin connection and romance, we can unwillingly block good from researching us. Judgment always lacks our energy. A common example, when someone keeps describing their twin as a runner, they are pummeling them with energy to this effect, pushing them into a corner where it's hard for them to be anything except a runner. Twin flames are always strongly impacting each other with their energetic intent, but so many twins does not realize this. In most twin communities, you will find people who are unaware of the incredible negative impact they are pushing onto their counterpart every day. Eventually, it turns out that the DM is looking for DF like crazy. DM's heart become heavy thinking that DM cannot survive without DF. Let the whole world stop DM. DM calls the Creator, suddenly acquires many kinds of spiritual knowledge. The burning flame of arrogance is finally stopped. Is acquainted with a new soul, trying to find and correct one's own mistakes. Eventually, surrenders to the Creator. Turn yourself into a pure man like gold. After a hard time in life, he finally realized that twin flame journey. DM becomes awakened, gets back the coveted golden road. It becomes a reunion. Seeing this reunion, the Creator was also overwhelmed with joy and showered flowers. DF messages. I know there is a lot of love hidden in your heart for me, but hidden love is sometimes expressed in words. I don't know what crime you are punishing me so much. If I have made a mistake, forgive me and make room in your heart. If I am bothering you, let me know. I loved you. I still love you. And I will love you all my life. One day you were desperate to talk to me, but today you ignore me, even you see me online. Today's video ends here. Love yourself and teach others to love. Accept difficult moments as challenges. Once you try to discover yourself, victory will be yours. Take care of yourself and always remember you are perfect. Just love yourself and I love you all. Sharing is caring. Thank you so much.